Good afternoon, student. Welcome to TMC virtual classes. Myself, Gaurav Kumar Thakur. Today I will take Mathematics Part 1, Chapter Arithmetic Progression. Student, last class we already completed sum from practice set 3.2. Depending upon the formula, and you know that the formula in last class, that is Tn. So Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So where t is term, n is number, a is first term, n is number, and d is common difference. So depending upon this formula, we already completed some numericals from practice set 3.2. Now we have to complete last sum, and it is very important in exam point of view. So can we start last sum, that is in an AP 17 term is 7 more than 10 term. So whenever student you want to solve any sum, read the sum twice. That time you can understand what is given. So इस sum में दिया हुआ है in NAP 17 term is 7 more than 10 term. 17 term. So we can write T17 is 7 more than 10 term. So T17 is 7 more than 10 term. So how can we solve this sum? Depending upon the given part, let first term of an AP is A and common difference is D. So given condition is, again I am reading, in an AP 17 term is 7 more than 10 term. Find the common difference. So student, we have to find the common difference, that is D. So first T17 we have to find. Now we have to apply the formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So here n is 17. So in place of n we can put 17. So T17 equal to A plus, in place of n is given 17. So 17 minus 1 D. T17 equal to A plus 17 minus 1 is 16. 16 into D is 16 D. So this is your first equation, that is T17 is A plus 16 D. So we can give equation number 1. Now second part for T10. So same way we have to find T10, that is T10 we have to find, and n is given 10. Now you can apply the formula, same method, that is Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 D. So student, जैसा दिया आपको सेम टू सेम वैसे सॉल्व करना है. 17 दिया था तो 17 का फाइंड किया. अभी T10 है तो T10 के लिए फाइंड करेंगे. So T10 equal to A plus n. N is given 10. So 10 minus 1 D. So 10. T10 A plus 10 minus 1 is 9. So A plus 9 D. That is your T10. So this part is equation number 2. So we can give equation number 2. Now student, equation number 1 and equation number 2. But what is given condition? T17 equal to T10 plus 7. So we can write that T17 equal to T10 plus 7. It is given only, given part. So in place of T17, we can put A plus 16 in from equation number 1. T17 equal to A plus 16D. So in place of T17, we can put A plus 16D. So put A plus 16D. A plus 16D equal to T10. So what is T10? A plus 9D. So in place of T10, we can put A plus 9D plus 7. And this is from equation number 1 and 2. From equation first and second. Now, so what is T17? A plus 16D. T10 is A plus 9D plus 7. Now, same way we have to solve, like x plus y is given 5 or x equal to 3. So we can put the value. Same way you can solve A plus 16D equal to A plus 9D. So A plus 16D this side is plus, left side become minus. So minus a plus 9d become minus 9d equal to 7. Now plus a minus a. Whenever you see the opposite sign like plus 4 minus 4, so similarly plus a minus a get cancelled. 16d minus 9d. 16d minus 9d is 7d equal to 7. Now student, we have to find the common difference, that is d only. So d equal to 7 upon 7. So d equal to 7 upon 7 is 1 only. So the common difference is 1. So we can write common difference of an AP is 1. So answer is common difference of an AP is, your answer is 1. So you can write 1. So if you want to take a screenshot, you can take. Now again I am repeating. Student, sum is given T17 is 7 more than 10 term. So we can write T17 equal to T10 plus 7. So let first term of an AP is A and common difference is D. And we have to find the common difference, that is D only. So whatever given, जो भी दिया हुआ है उसके अनुसार आपको solve करना है. So T17, that is we can apply the formula Tn equal to A plus n minus 1D. T17, that is A plus n is 17, 17 minus 1, that is 16D. So first equation is T17 equal to A plus 16D. Similarly, you can solve the second part, that is T10. So again we have to apply the same formula T10, that is Tn equal to A plus n minus 1D. In place of n is given 10. So n is 10, A plus n, that is 10 minus 1, D is common difference. So A plus 9D. So equation number 2. Now you can see the given part T17 equal to T10 plus 7. So we can put the value from equation 1 and 2. In place of T17, we can put A plus 16D. Now you can see in place of T17, A plus 16D. Similarly, in place of T10, so T10 is A plus 9D in equation number 2. So A plus 9D and it is given plus 7. So plus 7 from equation 1 and 2. So now A plus 9D is plus on right hand side. When you put in left hand side, it become minus. So minus A minus 9D. So whenever you see the opposite sign, plus A and minus A get cancelled. So 16D minus 9D is 7D. Now we have to find the value of common difference, that is D only. So this side multiply, it's become divide. So 7 ones are 7. So answer is 1. So this way you can solve this type of sum and it is very important for exam point of view. So इसका practice करो and if you are getting any doubt, you can refer this video. So student, it is a part of term. Now next part of this lesson is very interesting, very important. Student, if you want to find the term, so you can apply the formula for Tn. Suppose if you want to find the sum, so sum, so we can discuss. The next part of this lesson is very interesting. So first we have to understand the formula. How can you find the sum of any term, any AP? So first we have to discuss the formula part. How can you find the term? Suppose let NAP 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Similarly, it is given. Suppose 40 term, and if you want to find the sum is 2 plus 4, then 4 plus 6, 6 plus 8. So it will take time. And remember that in mathematics, time बहुत ही कम होता है, आपको बहुत सारे sum solve करने होते हैं. So that's why some formula is given. So we have to discuss how can you find the sum of any AP. So first sum, so that is S. S for sum. तो जहाँ पे भी आपको sum part रहे, वहाँ पे आपको SN का formula लगाना है. N for number. So SN equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. This is the formula you have to apply. Now student, whenever sum is given, that time you can apply this formula. S for sum, n is number, a is first term, n is number, and d is common difference. Again, second formula for Sn equal to n upon 2. So we can write 2a in this way, a plus a, like you can write 2, that is 1 plus 1. Similarly, 2a is a plus n minus 1d. So n upon 2. So you know that in last class also we discussed that in first lecture the A is first term only. So in place of A we can write T1 because first term is A only. So in place of A we can write first term, that is T1 plus, this is a formula for Tn. Remember that A plus n minus 1d, this is a formula for Tn. So what is Tn? Tn equal to A plus n minus 1d, correct. सो ऑलरेडी इसके ऊपर हम लोगों ने सम सॉल्व किया था अभी लास्ट, टी एन इक्वल टू ए प्लस एन माइनस वन डी. सो इन प्लेस ऑफ ए प्लस एन माइनस वन डी वी कैन पुट that is Tn. So now you can see the second formula for Sn is n upon 2 first term plus Tn last term. So remember that this formula you can apply where the first term is given as well as the last term is given, Tn is given, तभी आपको ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है. मैक्सिमम पार्ट आपको ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है, that is Sn. So Sn equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1. So depending upon this formula we have to solve some numericals on practice set 3.2. 3.2 already completed, we have to start 3.3, correct. So can we start? If you want to take a screenshot you can take, then we have to proceed next part. So student, practice set 3.3. Practice set 3.3. The first sum is like activity based question. जब भी आपको एक्टिविटी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस रहे, पहले आप सम उसको सॉल्व कर लो और जहां पे भी बॉक्स आपको बनाना है बाद में उसको आप ट्राई को बनाने का. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. फर्स्ट सम इज गिवन, ए इज गिवन 6, ए इज गिवन 6 एंड D is given 3 and we have to find S27, sum of 27 term. So student, in this part A is given 6, D is given 3 and we have to find 27 term. So remember that sum of 27 terms. So sum means we have to apply the formula of Sn. And remember that one important thing is that what is the formula for Sn? Sn equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. So जब भी ये फॉर्मूला आपको दिया रहेगा, remember that there are 4 things. One is Sn, second is n, third is a and last one is d. There are 4 quantities. Always 3 quantities आपको दिया रहेगा, उसमें से 1 unknown रहेगा, आपको फाइंड करना रहेगा. So always remember that 4 quantities, that is Sn, n, a and d. The 4 quantities is given, उसमें से एक मिसिंग रहेगा, आपको फाइंड करना रहेगा. So Sn, now student, n is given here 27. So in place of n is given 27. So can we start? Same formula is given. Now we have to put the value Sn equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. So in place of n that is 27, so we can put S 27. Now n is 27 only, so 27 upon 2, 2a. So what is the value of a? A is given 6, very simple sum. Now everything is given, we have to just put the value. Now 2a, so in place of a we can put 6, so 2 into 6 plus n minus 1. So what is n? Yes, correct, that is 27. So 27 minus 1 and d is given 3, that is common difference. So d is given 3, that is 3 only. Now we have to solve. 27 upon 2, 2 6 that is 12 plus 27 minus 1, that is 26 into 3. Always we have to solve first bracket part. So 27 upon 2 bracket 12 plus 26 into 3, 25 3 is 75 और 1 into 3 means 3, 75 plus 3 means 78. So अगर आपको डाउट आता तो आप मल्टीप्लाई करके भी साइड में देख सकते हो. So that is S27 is 27 upon 2. Now 12 plus 78, that is 90. So we have to cancel, that is 45. So 27 into 45, you can multiply, and answer is 1215. So that is your final answer, as 27 is 1215. Now you can see in your textbook, bracket part is given the first part, that is n upon 2, so 2a. So this is your first box, 2a. Next is given 27 minus 1d. So d, what is the value of d? That is 3 only. Next box is given 27 upon 2 into what? So that is 90. So in place of 90. So इसलिए मैं आपको बोला था पहले आप उसको सॉल्व कर लो, बाद में आप बॉक्स दो. And last answer is 1215. So that is, so 4 box, 2 marks. So now you can see in this sum you can apply the formula of Sn. Sn equal to n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So 27 upon 2, 2a, a is given 6, 27 minus 1 into 3. So 26 into 3, 78 plus 12. 27 upon 2, 27 upon 2 into 90, 2 से cancel करेंगे क्या आएगा 45, and final answer is 27 into 45 is 1215. That is your answer. इसको solve करो, and it is activity based question. So जहाँ जहाँ पे box है आप वहाँ पे box बनाना है आपको, ये it is compulsory. So this is the first sum depending upon the formula Sn. So similarly student, same way we have to solve the next sum, and next sum is very important and very interesting sum. So we have to proceed the next sum. So student, already आपको मैंने बताया था, whenever in mathematics sum are given, we have to first read at least 2 times. That time you can determine what is given part. So find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. Even natural numbers. So we have to find the sum of even natural number. So we have to start even natural number are, that is 2, 4, 6, 8, and that is we have to find 123. So n is given 123, and in this part we have to find the sum. So again last term is not given. कौन सा term tn है मुझे नहीं पता है. So student, we have to apply the first formula, that is Sn equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. So in this part the first term is given. So a is given 2 and d we can find t2 minus t1. Even number. So even number कहाँ से start होता है 2 से, then 4, 6, 8. So t2 minus t1. So what is t2? T2 is 4 minus 2. So answer is 2. So d already you have find. Next part, n is given 123. Even natural numbers are in AP, so we have to write R in an AP because common difference is 2 only. So that's why it is in AP, R in an AP. Next, we have to find sum. So we have to apply the formula for Sn. So in this part, last term is not given, so that's why we have to proceed with the first formula. And what is the first formula? Sn equal to n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. So now student, you can see there are 4 thick quantities Sn we have to find. N is given 123, a is given 2, d is given 2. So now you can see there are 4 quantities में से 3 आपको दिया हुआ है, and that time we have to find the value of Sn. So S in place of n we can put 123. So S123 equal to, in place of n again 123 upon 2 bracket 2a. So what is value of a? A is given 2 plus n minus 1d. So n is again 123 minus 1 and d is given 2. So in place of d we can put the value of 2. Now we have to solve 123 upon 2. 2 2 जा 4 plus 123 minus 1 122 into 2. Now we have to solve the bracket part. So S 123 equal to n is 123 upon 2, 123 upon 2. Now we have to solve the bracket part. So 4 plus, we can multiply 122 into 2 is, that is 244. So 123 upon 2 into 244 plus 4, that is 248. Now we have to solve. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8. So S 123 equal to 123 into 124. So you can multiply this thing. So 123 into 124. So final answer is 15252. Now you can multiply within yourself and you will find the answer, that is 15252. So that is the final answer. The sum of first 123 even natural numbers are 15252. So similarly, even natural numbers are 2 4 6 8 are in AP. In this part, first term is given D, we can find the formula, that is T2 minus T1, N is given 123 and D is given 2. So depending upon this formula, we have to find the value of Sn. N is given 123. So in place of N, we can put 123, 2A. So 2 into 2, N is given 123 into 1 into 2. So 4 plus 122 into 2 is 244. So 244 plus 4 is 248. We can divide by 2. So answer is 124. And last part we have to multiply 123 into 124. Answer is 15252. So student, now you can see that is very simple sum. If you know the formula, if you know the method, आपको सिर्फ वैल्यू पुट करना है and you will get correct answer. So if you want to take a screenshot, you can take. Then we have to proceed next sum. नेक्स्ट सम इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट और इस टाइप के सम बोर्ड में भी आते हैं. सो मैं थोड़ा सा डिस्कशन करूंगा थर्ड सम के लिए, बिकॉज इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक इट इज गिवन फाइंड द सम ऑफ ऑल इवन नंबर फ्रॉम 1 to 350. अगर 1 to 350 बोल रहे हैं, फ्रॉम 1 to 350, दैट टाइम यू हैव टू टेक लास्ट थिंग इज 350. अगर मैं बोलता हूँ फ्रॉम, थोड़ा सा इसमें इंपॉर्टेंट पता डिस्कशन कर रहा हूँ, था ध्यान से समझना. फ्रॉम 1 to 350, तो फ्रॉम 1 to 350 बोलेंगे तो इवन नंबर कैसे स्टार्ट होगा, 2 4 6 8 एंड लास्ट नंबर क्या होगा, 350 भी इसमें लेंगे, बिकॉज फ्रॉम 1 to 350. सो यू हैव टू टेक 350 बिकॉज 350 भी इवन नंबर होता है, इवन नेचुरल नंबर है. सिमिलरली अगर इसमें थोड़ा सा चेंज करते हैं, जो टेक्स्ट बुक में अगर करेक्शन करोगे, बिकॉज आंसर जो दिया हुआ है, फाइंड द सम ऑफ ऑल इवन नंबर बिटवीन 1 to 350. अगर बिटवीन में बोलता हूं, सो बिटवीन 350, सो 350 फिर नहीं लेंगे, तो क्या लेंगे, फिर 350 नहीं लेंगे तो इट इज 348. सो विल स्टार्ट दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड द सम ऑफ ऑल इवन नंबर बिटवीन 1 to 350. मैं बिटवीन से स्टार्ट करता हूं. इफ यू वांट टू सॉल्व फ्रॉम 1 to 350, अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, आपको 350 भी लेना है. फ्रॉम 1 to 350 अगर दिया है सम में, अगर सम में बिटवीन दिया है तो दैट टाइम वी हैव टू टेक 348. सो लेट स्टार्ट दिस सम. सो आई एम टेकिंग द सम लाइक वी हैव टू फाइंड द सम ऑफ ऑल इवन नेचुरल नंबर्स फ्रॉम, in place of from I am taking between 1 to 350. Between 1 to 350. अगर मैं between बोल रहा हूं तो 350 नहीं लेना है. इन दिस अगर एग्जाम में आपको ऐसे आता है from 1 to 350, that time you have to take 350 also. So ये पार्ट आपको समझना है. Then we have to start this sum. So student, even natural numbers are 2 4 6 8 till 348 because I am taking between 1 to 350. Now student we have to find the sum. तो sum के लिए मैंने बताया था Sn तो अपने को फाइंड करना है, बट n इज नॉट गिवन बिकॉज टोटल 4 क्वांटिटी में से 3 देना चाहिए, बट इन दिस पार्ट ओनली फर्स्ट टर्म इज गिवन एंड वी कैन फाइंड द कॉमन डिफरेंस. बट व्हाट अबाउट n? n is not given, so our first priority is we have to find the value of n. So that is t term. तो term के लिए आपको क्या फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है tn का, तो इसमें लिखते हैं let a is given here 2, d we can find t2 minus t1. So what is t2? t2 is 4 minus 2, so answer is 2. And n we have to find, so we can apply the formula of tn. So Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 d because we have to find the term. So Tn we have to find. So in this part Tn, the last term is given 348. So Tn is given 348. So in place of Tn we can put 348 equal to a plus, what is a here? 2 plus n we have to find, d is given 2. So in place of d we can put 2. Now we have to solve this sum. 348 equal to 2 plus, now you can multiply 2 into n, that is 2n, plus into minus, minus 2 1 are 2, so plus 2 minus 2 get cancel. We have to find the value of n. So n equal to, this side multiply, or also you can write 348 equal to 2n. So we have to find the value of n. This side multiply, that's how we come divide. So 348 upon 2. So we can divide. 2 1 are 2, remaining 1, 2 7 are 14, 2 4 are 8. So answer is 174. Correct. So now student, now you can see we have the value of n also, a and d. So 3 quantities given. So now we can find the value of sum, that is Sn, because there are 4 quantities in which 3 part is given. So 3 में क्या क्या दिया हुआ है? First term a is given, d is given, और हम लोगों ने n find किया. n क्यों find किया? Because n इसमें हमने को नहीं दिया हुआ है. So n find करने के लिए क्या अप्लाई करोगे? That is the formula of Tn terms के लिए. So that is Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So Tn, n is given 348, a is 2, and we have to find. And now we have to put the value. You will get answer. So n is 174. Now student, we have to find the value of Sn. So what is the formula of Sn? Student, in this part first term is given as well as last term is given. So directly we can apply the formula, second formula, that is आप first formula से भी ला सकते हो, but it is simple only because first term is given as well as last term is given. So n upon 2, first term plus last term. First term plus last term. So S n equal to, in place of n, our n is 174. So 174 upon 2 in place of first term. So what is first term? First term is 2 and last term is 348. Now 174 upon 2, 2 plus 348 means 350. You have to divide, answer is 175. So as n equal to we have to multiply 175 into 174. So answer is 34050. 30450. That is your final answer, Sn. So we can write last part, answer is what is given. We have to find the sum of all even number between 1 to 350. So sum of all even number between, we have to write the last part statement, answer, between 1 to 350 are, answer is 30450. And remember last part I am repeating that अगर क्वेश्चन में अगर फ्रॉम दिया है तो आपको 350 भी इंक्लूड करना है, अगर बिटवीन दिया है तो 350 आपको एक्सक्लूड करना है, उसको नहीं लेना है. So depending upon this formula you can solve this sum. It is very simple, number of terms है n नहीं दिया हुआ था. So first we have to find the n by using the formula Tn. n अगर आपको मिलता है, now you can apply the formula of Sn. Why this formula we have to apply? Because in this part first term is given as well as last term is given. आप फर्स्ट फॉर्मूला से भी फाइंड कर सकते हो, आंसर सेम आएगा, बट ये सिंपल है थोड़ा, तो आप इसके ऊपर जा सकते हैं. तो T1 plus Tn, so what is first term 2 and last term is 348, and 2 divided by 350 is 175, so 175 into 174, final answer is 30450. So student, depending upon this formula you can solve sum number 3. Similarly, fourth sum is very interesting, very important, and we have to proceed the fourth sum. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take. So student, in next class मैं आगे आपको बताऊंगा. Thank you so much. See you next class.